we are going to show them where the water is. Okay. So we're gonna dip and move.
Sorry, trying to get out.
Okay.
He's so excited. Got calm down,
So
Bubba.
we're gonna
I just stepped in the stool.
dip and put it down. Will. Yeah, meat birds. These are little broiler chicks.
Oh.
So the problem is going to be not getting attached to them.
Yeah, we're already attached to these ones here.
Dip their beak in the water so they know where water is.
Oh my god, we don't have water.
Yeah, we do.
Dip it in there. Oh, got it.
Okay. Angle races. So we need 6 to get started. So we just try to figure out materials here. Hinges are about $1.20 a piece. We have 2 of those. We got the latch, which was about $2.50. So let's say you're going to have $8 to $10 in hardware, depending on what you're going to use. 9 2x4s at $2.50. So about $22.50 in lumber, and then the 4-foot chicken wire was $21 a roll, and we used maybe not even half. So you could get a couple of these made out of a roll, the poultry netting. And then the roofing, I don't really have a price for you on that. I think one piece is about 30 bucks if it's a 12 footer. So you would be able to do this whole thing with one piece of steel roofing, I think, if you were careful when you're cutting. So you'd have another probably 30 bucks there. So you'd have roughly 25 in lumber, 30 in roofing. So you're at 55, 75, 80, maybe 80 bucks to build this chicken tractor. So about $80, which is fairly reasonable for an easy way to grow out your birds.